Now, a lot of people, when they're lucky enough or smart enough to get a company that's going up, they take their profits.
Right.
And you made the case in a book that you should actually hang in there with the really great stocks, and you even got a call from Warren Buffett as a result.
Yeah, in 1989, I'm at home, and the phone rings, and I thought it was one of my friends, but one of my daughters, I think it was 6-year-old Annie, picked up and said, "Gee, guess there's a Mr. Buffett on the line?" I said, "This got to be a joke." So I pick it up, and this Warren Buffett, I'm from Omaha, Nebraska. I read your book. My annual report's due in 2 weeks. Can I use the line? He said it all in about 7 seconds. And I said, "That's great. I'd love to do it. What's the line?" He said, "I love this. It's been waiting to do this. When you sell your great companies and add to the losers, it's like watering the weeds and cutting the flowers." And he said, "I want to put it in." He said, "If you ever come to Nebraska, you don't call me. Your name will be mud all over Nebraska."
So did he call him?
Oh, yeah. I've said several times we played bridge together. We've had several meetings. Great guy.